Hey everyone, I'm Erica. Welcome. So today we're going to be talking about if you're allowed to use Amazon Associates links on Pinterest. I'm on Amazon's blog here, and they actually show you the process that you need to go through to add Amazon links on Pinterest. They actually show you how you need to set up your boards in your Pinterest account to be able to add your affiliate links on here. So I'm going to leave a link for this blog in the comment section below, because I'm not going to be adding links in the descriptions anymore. So you can check it out in the comment section. I'm going to leave a link for this blog down there. So let's move on to another site that writes mostly about Amazon affiliate products and so on. And right here, this lady contacted Amazon, and this is an update for the month of September in 2017. And she said here that it's been a year since she and so many other bloggers received confirmation from Amazon that they could use their links on Pinterest. However, Amazon has not updated their terms of service or operating agreement. So now she also goes on to Facebook, and she says here that she's just got off the phone with Amazon affiliate program, and it's confirmed you can share links on Pinterest. But yeah, you do need to disclose that you are using affiliate links within your pin's description. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what you need to do, what Amazon wants you to do to be able to share their links on Pinterest. So let's go ahead. Let's go to Amazon, guys. So to legally add Amazon Associates links on Pinterest, the first thing you need to do is go ahead and add your Pinterest profile URL to Amazon, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do right now. Once you're signed into your Amazon dashboard, you want to go to your email address at the top of your browser and just scroll down to where it says account settings, and you just click on that. It's going to take you to another page where you can add all of the URLs. So you want to scroll down to where it says edit your website and mobile app list. Click on that. Okay, now as you can see here, I have all of the platforms that I use to promote Amazon products. You want to add all of that in here, and once you're done, you're going to get a notification telling you that everything is confirmed. You want to go ahead and just add your Pinterest URL in here. Like I have pinterest.com/leopardprintsneakers, pinterest.com. All of my Pinterest profiles, I have them listed in here, as you can see, guys. So this is all you have to do. You just go ahead and start typing your URL, pinterest.com/blah blah blah, and then you go ahead and click on add. Once you're done, that's all you need to do, and then you can close out of Amazon. So this is how you need to go ahead and add your Pinterest profile link into Amazon, so that they know that you're promoting their links on that particular profile. Believe me, guys, Amazon, they check out all of these profiles, and once you're promoting their products, they want to know where you're driving traffic from. And I've been using Amazon products. Look, I'm not an expert, guys. I show you what works for me, and I've been using Amazon products. I've been promoting them on Pinterest for the past 3 years now, and I have not had any problems with Amazon. I get paid on time. I get my commission, everything, guys. So if I felt like this was gonna affect you in any way, trust me, I am gonna tell you guys, because I want to be fair with all of you. So thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are awesome. If you have any questions, I am gonna leave the link for the blogs that I showed in this video. I'm gonna leave them in the comment section below. So stay awesome and happy 2018.